Welcome to 20 days workshop. This is second lecture on pronunciation and IPA symbols. We are studying IPA symbols. In the last lecture, I introduced you the 44 sounds and the IPA symbols for 44 sounds. You came to know that sounds, 44 sounds are divided into two categories. One is consonant and the second category is vowels. There are 24 consonants and 20 vowels. Out of 20 vowels, there are 8 diphthongs and 12 monophthongs. And I have also shown you, the symbols to find out correct pronunciation in the dictionary. We have to refer Advanced Learner Dictionary or Dictionary of English Pronunciation by Daniel Jones. In these two dictionaries, to follow these two dictionaries, we should know the symbols. That is very important. If you know the 44 symbols, if you practice them and pronounce them, it definitely very easily you will remember those sounds, and with the help of those symbols you can pronounce the word, right? For example, here, that, THAT, and the pronunciation is like this, that. This is what you find in the dictionary, that. So the, ya, t, that. THAT, that. Spelling is THAT, and the pronunciation is the, ya, t, that. And the next one is difficult. Difficult. This is the another word, difficult. The, e, for e, k. Then this is short l, t, difficult. Is it clear for you? If you very carefully look at these symbols, definitely you will remember. For example, this is U. This is Y, which looks like J, Y, and this is long U. Here are the two dots. Hope that you can see these two dots. U. What is this? U. And then which? WHICH. Which? WHICH. E, this is E, and this is ch, t and ch, which. Next word is there. We generally say there, but the ending r is not pronounced, so therefore it is there. The, there. The next is about. This is a, weak, b, u, t, about. About, in this way. Then the next word is photo. PHOTO. Here PH is pronounced as f, therefore photo. Okay. Next is should. 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 This is sh, u, and d. Should. Then you take people. P, E, P, L. People. This is weak, people. Then next word is also. There are two dots, long, l, s, also, also. This is diphthong. Then let's move to the next word, between, 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 b, b, e, t, w, e, long e, no, between, between, between. Then we take many, many, ma, a, na, e, many. The next word is thicker, 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 thicker. So I told you earlier that the ending r is not pronounced. So the correct pronunciation is thicker, thicker, thicker. Child, ch, I, l, d, child, child, child. Here, here, h, e, a, r, here, here, her, here, here. This r is weak and generally it is not pronounced. Here. System, 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 system. S, e, s, t, m, system, system, system. Then the next one is group, 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 group. Next to this, number, 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 number. However, however, ever, however, r is not pronounced. However, another word is another, 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 another. Again, 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 again. Here we have to practice this word, world, 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 world. Area, 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 area. Next is psychology, psychology. P is silent and the pronunciation is psychology and the spelling is psychology, psychology, psychology. Course, course. We say course, it is not course, it is course, course, course. Then company, company. Under, 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 under. Short under. Next is problem, problem. Problem. Never, never, never. Never. Then this is service, service. We say service. Actually, the pronunciation is service. It's very interesting. Service is the pronunciation. Then next is something, something, something. Something. Place, place. Place, place, place. Next is point, point. Point. Provide, 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 provide. Next one is large, large. We say large. So r is not pronounced here. Therefore, the pronunciation becomes large. General, general. General. Always, always. We say always. It is not always. Always, always. Next, next. Quick, quick. Quick. Nervous, nervous, nervous. We say nervous, but the pronunciation is nervous. Local, local, local. During, during, during. Although, although. Who, who. Example, example. Rather, rather. Social, social. Right, right. Percent, percent, percent. Just, percent. Guest, guest. Both, both, both. Every. What it is? Every, every. Month, month. Important, important. It is not important. Important. Head, head. Information, information. The correct pronunciation is information. Question, question, question. Business, business. We say business. It is business. Power, power. It is not power. Power, power. Change, change, change. Move, move. Book, book. Development. People generally say development. It is not meant, it is meant. Development, development. Young, young. National, national. Water. We say water, water. It is not water, it is water, water. Yet, yet. The next one is perhaps, perhaps. Until, until. Control. What it is? Control. Include. We pronounce it as include. Include, include. Believe, believe, believe. Allow, allow. Stand, stand. Idea, idea, idea. Character, character. People generally say character. It's character, character. Result, result, result. Happen, happen, happen. Next one is friend, friend, friend. Carry, carry, carry. awful, awful, awful. The next one is early, early, early. Weave, weave. Himself, himself, himself. Xerox, Xerox. It is not Xerox. It is Xerox, Xerox. Report, 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 report. Political, 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 political. Law, law. Ghost, ghost. Modest, modest, modest. Person, person, person. Once, once, once. Police, police, police. Lose, lose. Position, position, position. Industry, industry, industry. Major, major, major. Build, build. Language, it is not language. Language, language, language. International, international, international. Else, else. Yeah, yeah. Center, center. Enough, enough. Calm, calm. Color, it is not color. Color, color. Lure, lure. Knife, K-N-I-F-E. Knife, K is silent. Knife. These are the certain words we have practiced. Again, we are going to practice some words. Then from the transcription, we are going to identify the word. For example, seat, seat, seat. Feel, feel. Sit, in. Set, any. Sat, match, march, after. Pot, gone. Pot, law. Good, good. Food, group. Much. Front, turn. Word, away, away. Collect, collect. Until, until. Take, take. Wait, wait. Mine, mine. Light, light. Oil, oil. Boy, boy. Now, now. Open, open. House, now. This is now. Here, deer, air. What we say air, it is not air. It is, the pronunciation is air, air, where, air, where, tour, tour, endure, endure, endure. Now this is difficult, somewhat difficult for us. We have to identify the word. What it is, per, sound per. What it is, can you tell it? Pool, 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 pool. What it is? Ka, a, p, ka, a, p. Cup. It is cup. It is bull, B-U-L, bull, bull. What it is? R-O-B, rob, rob. What it is? Fairy, fairy, fairy. This is life, life, life. This is very, very, very. This is live, live. Now the next one is think, think, think. Bath, bath. Next is den. Sorry. It is not den. Then, the. This is the sound. Then. Then. What it is then? With. With. Take. The. A-E. Diphthong. Take. The. Take. Set. Set. Next is day, day, red, red, sing, sing, rice, 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 zoo, zoo. This is days, the A-E-Z, days. Show, show. Wish, wish. This is pleasure, pleasure, pleasure. Occasion, occasion. Chip, chip. Cat, cat. Jail, jail. What it is? Jail. This is bridge, bridge. Case, case. Take. We say take. It is take. We say go. It is go, go. Rug. What it is? Rug. This is my, my, my. Come, come. C-O-M-E. Come. We say come. It is not come. Come. Now, now. N-O-W. Now. On. O-N. On. Sing, sing. Finger, finger. Love, love. Howl, howl. Round, round. Well, well. Young, young. House, cat, cat. Hope that it is very clear for you. हे सगळे वर्ड्स आणि syllable symbols हे क्लियर झाले असतील आता. Another concept we are going to learn, एक दुसरी concept आपण इथं शिकत आहोत. That concept is very important. ही concept जर तुम्हाला कळली तर you can improve a lot your pronunciation. We are going to learn what is a syllable. Syllable, what it is. Syllable. When we study words at that time, we know that a prefix, suffix, these are important. We should know to form new words. In the same way, in pronunciation, in the area of pronunciation, we should know syllable. Syllable is a part of a word that contains sounds. And usually in one syllable there is one vowel. One syllable, one vowel. What is the rule? In a word there may be many syllables, but each syllable contains a vowel. Each syllable, प्रत्येक syllable मध्ये एक vowel असतो. आता vowel sounds आपण शिकलेलो आहोत. Syllable is also called beat. Beat सुद्धा म्हणतात त्याला. Beat. Beat असतो. Beat. The beat कसे शोधायचे? How to find out beats? By clapping hands. By clapping hands we can find out beats, syllables. Here is a word, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. या elephant यामध्ये किती syllables आहेत कसं शोधायचे? Elephant. Elephant. 3 syllables. Elephant. 3 syllables. One beat, second beat, third beat. Elephant. So there are 3 syllables. Here are some examples. This is the word lake. 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 Only one syllable. एक syllable है तो lake. Take the next one. Paper. 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 2 syllables. Right? Energy. 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 3 syllables. Calculator. 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 4 syllables. How many syllables are there? 4 syllables. Next. Communication. 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 5 syllables. Communication. 5 syllables. Now, if you take this word responsibility. Responsibility. 6 syllables. Responsibility. 6 syllables are there. So in this way, syllable, there may be one syllable in a word or there may be more than one syllable. How to identify the syllable? One vowel sound, one syllable. And the smallest one syllable word is I. This is one syllable word. Or E-Y-E, I. E-Y-E, I is also one syllable word. Here is an example. It is a very difficult words actually. This word has been formed. This is the longest word. Pneumonicopicsylcovicalvonicosis. 19 syllables are there. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. 19 syllables are there. So the word means, this is actually invented word that means a lung disease caused by inhaling very fine ash and sand dust. Sand dust. So this is a formed word. It has been formed. It has been invented. So these, hope that you understood what is meant by syllable. Syllable म्हणजे काय हे जर लक्षात आलं तुमच्या, then we can go ahead. आपण पुढचं काही शिकू शकतो. Okay. So I stop the lecture here. We'll see accent, rhythm and intonation in the next lecture.